Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole from My Pretty Charmed Life, and today's video is a design video for how I designed with Don't Give Up for launch day. So most of you should already know that Don't Give Up is a collaboration between Emily at Fashion Storyteller and Ohm Beads. Ohm Beads brought Emily's bead design to life for the Ohmistry project for June. Her bead is called Don't Give Up, and as most of you know, it is very limited. There are only 111 made. It does launch today, so it's going to be at 10 a.m. Pacific time. So if you want to get your hands on this, I highly recommend you go to ownbeads.com right away to get it as soon as it's available. But this bead is so special, one, because I love Emily to death. She is one of my most best friends. I met her because of this community. We've been like each other's biggest cheerleaders, I guess, is like the best way to say it. And I am so thrilled for her bead to launch, and her box art is so darn adorable. I love the little like demon people trying to stop her from achieving her dreams. And often we all have our own challenges in our own different way, right? So I don't know anybody who would not relate to a bead like this. But let's get into how I designed with Don't Give Up. So here I have it on a small plain bangle, which by the way, these are retiring. So if you want a plain bangle, you'll want to get them before they are gone for good. And I ended up using just this bead as is the only silver, and it serves as the centerpiece. And this side we see the dark side of the mountain. If you have not seen this video, I believe I did the preview on IGTV. You see that cute little snake. I don't think he's supposed to be cute, but I actually am really fond of the dark side of the mountain. I like them both, but I'm just drawn to this one. I did my nails specifically for her launch because I'm so excited, and you know me, I have to express myself in my nails. So here's like little snake skin, and it's representing that little guy trying to stop you from going up the mountain, aka roller coaster, because that's what Presley calls this. But yeah, let's take a good look at this in case you haven't seen it. This mountain has eyes and really sharp teeth and a cave, and he's trying to stop you from your journey. You have this guy who's got his hand over. He's like, you're not gonna pass. That cute little cave for added detail. Love it. Do I go to the other side first? Yeah, let's go to the other side and then I'll show you the design. And then for those who haven't seen it, here's the like victorious side of the mountain, and you have nice green trees. You have a cute little mushroom house. You have this happy little bunny. It's like, hey, little flowers. And then of course the finish line says you did it with your prize at the end, whatever your prize might be. And the bottom, don't give up. If you are one of the luckies to get the 111, you will have Emily's signature right there. Mine is like an ambassador edition, so it doesn't have it, but you will have it if you're one of the lucky ones to get it. So there you go. That is the bead. Now let's take a look at the design. First, I originally had unveil because I am such a fan of this glass bead. This one actually you can only get through the Art Oblivion, but they often work with Ohm Beads, and they get some Ohm exclusive items you can only get from them. And I do have two of these beads because they're just so pretty. I absolutely love the colors in there, the subtle sparkle, and originally I just had those. But then this bead is like celebratory, and for some reason these colors just help make me think of like victory and happiness and all that stuff. So I did include them in this design. These are Purple Wish and Blue Wish. These took forever to get to me, by the way. I don't know about you guys, but there is like a huge delay in international shipment. So I waited like 6 weeks for these, and I'm so glad they finally came, and just on time to add like a pop of color to this bracelet, especially because I like to wear it on this side. Like I feel like it's so like dark and scary that it kind of just lightens that mood up. But as you can tell, like my nails were all about like the dark, but even here it goes from dark to light. So there you go. Anyway, here you have it. Don't Give Up launches today, 10 o'clock Pacific, limited edition. You guys, these have been like their Ohmistry projects have been selling out. So if it's something you really, really want, make sure that you're there online. I know when mine launched last month, some people kind of waited a few hours and it was already gone. So if you don't want to have regrets. I'm so excited for her launch date. Congratulations, Emily. You designed such a spectacular bead. Ohm Beads put so much of your detail on there. Like, it's like crazy how much is captured on here, and I couldn't be more excited for you. And enjoy your launch day. You deserve the best. There you go, everybody. Hope everyone who wants Don't Give Up is able to get one. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment below. Let me know what you think of Don't Give Up. Let me know what you think of this design. And if you are not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all next time.